Good evening, friends. Welcome to my new YouTube channel, Marketprofile Engineer, Engineering a Trade by Decoding Market. Basically, I'm an engineer, successful in my profession, but struggling to be successful in trading. So I've started this channel basically to journal my trades and my mindset, whatever is happening during the market hour. I've been to trading since 2007, but not yet able to decode the market. Many times I have been profitable, but same time I'll make big losses, which wipes out the entire profit which I had made. But still, till date, if I see, I'm able to sustain in this market. And in stocks, if we see, I've been able to make a good amount of money with that. But that doesn't satisfy my desire or my passion towards trading. So, as a journey to be more disciplined, I am doing these videos in order to journal my thoughts and what have developed during the trading hours. During my entire career, if we see what has given me a boost is the way market can be decoded with Marketprofile. I have done many analytical things to decode the market, and if we see stocks with respect to OI and with respect to open interest everything, we can decode how operators are involved in a stock movement. So that gives me a chance for a scalping opportunity. But coming to the options trading, for it is really difficult to decode it. So I have been trying a lot. I've followed many famous YouTubers and many gurus who are teaching it. Even I've taken a paid courses to decode it, but still struggling it. One thing which I was influenced by was the Mind Over Market book written by James Dalton. That has given me a great insight into how to interpret a market. So that has given me a huge chunk of profits, but same old psychological impact which any trader faces during his career. That takes away all the profit which I made even with any strategy before. So basically, Marketprofile has given me a clear picture of how the market is moving. So from today onwards, I will be posting videos on daily what has been through my mind while trading. So this is just a journaling videos, not any trading advice or anything. It is what has come in my mind, and I am recording it for my future reference. You can see the disclaimer as everybody tells. Still I am telling this is just a educational, not an educational even, it is just a journaling video of my trades. How whatever the feelings which came into my mind, it is nothing you can benefit or but you can understand my feelings, what has been in my mind while I am trading. So if you see the market on Monday, it opened in the within the previous day value area, and it was like an open drive towards downward. But later on in the second B period, it retraced, and again in C period it came down. So with respect to that, it was clear to me that it will be an open auction outside the range, because it was almost to the verge of the value area. So during this period, it is normal that it will be a normal variation day. So that was clear in my mind. But consequent candles indicated that that will be a bit neutral towards bearish and neutral. So I had a perspective that if I sell a call towards today's market opening, which was a high, and if you take a POC, which is quite earlier what is relevant, if I sell a put on that POC and the today's high call is being sold, I can make a big profit in that. So that was coming in my mind. But since my capital is low, I was not able to trade. But I've taken a screenshot of the value of the asset during that time, and I just monitored how it occurred. So this was the mindset while I was doing the trade. Two of the conditions which the opening is has been indicated. That is from the book James Dalton, Mind Over Market. So you can see towards left it is a open auction outside the range. You can see it opens outside the range, it goes up, then goes down, then goes up, then goes down. You can see the arrow is increasing consequently. In our case also it was somewhat similar, but the arrow was not increasing towards that extent. So it indicates that it won't be a trending or something, but it is something towards a neutral or a bearish. Bearish to neutral. So it was better to go for a selling of call and put. So that was basically came to my mind. In the BNC auction, I have already told that, and towards the right is the open auction in the in range. So that was not a condition which occurred. It is still a little bit tricky because as it opened within the range of previous days value area range, but we consider it as out of range, outside the range. And already I told the strategy how I deployed it. So C of 25 to 100, which is a day high, they open can be sold, as well as a P, which was a previous POC 25,000. So the total premium which was coming around 142 points. The screenshot I am taking it at 10:21 when that 2 half-an-hour candle was closed, has been shown here. And consequently the premium when the day closed has been shown in the next bottom one. So around a point of 23.7 points can be gained as per this strategy. So point we see one sell and one P and one C, we sell around 150 lot is there. So by multiplying we'll get around 3555, and stop loss which I kept was 10 points. So that was not beaten during that time. So the risk reward which I followed was 1:2. So for me this was a very good opportunity, and it gave me a confidence also because I read the